Hi everybody! I am going to show you how to make a crochet magic circle. To start, hold the yarn on the palm of your hand and loop it around your hand twice. Make sure to cross the yarn, making an X on the palm of your hand. Secure the X with your thumb. Then, slide your crochet hook under the first loop and pull the second loop under it, making a small triangle. Now, twist your hook so that it points upward. To finish, grab the second loop again and pull it through the loop on the hook. And that's it! You're ready to start creating. To adjust the size of the magic ring, pull on the short yarn end as much as you want. You can increase or decrease the size of the ring this way. Good luck!